Hey, I'm Andrew Connell, and I'm excited to be delivering a full-day workshop at the Microsoft 365 Community Conference in Las Vegas this May. Are you a developer interested in extending Microsoft 365 Copilot? Then my workshop called Develop Declarative Agents to extend Microsoft 365 Copilot to get the most out of your investment is for you. Let me explain why. So let's say you've rolled out Microsoft 365 Copilot, and now your organization has entered the AI revolution. Sweet, mission accomplished. Or is it? See, out of the box, Microsoft 365 Copilot only has access to the underlying large language model's baseline knowledge in some of the content in your Microsoft 365 tenant. But most companies have valuable data outside of Microsoft 365, like manuals, standard operating procedures, policies, inventory systems, ERPs, CRM, sales data, and so much more. But after you learn how Microsoft Copilot works, you're then, in my workshop, going to learn how to unlock Copilot's power by extending its knowledge and teaching it new skills, from populating the semantic index with unstructured content using Microsoft Graph connectors to creating actions and implementing RAG patterns for real-time relational data access. You'll make Copilot truly yours for your organization. Now, this workshop is for full-stack developers, and it focuses on creating declarative agents for Microsoft 365 Copilot to implement some specific scenarios. And you're going to learn how to build scalable enterprise solutions without any additional Copilot Studio licensing costs. You can follow along as I build these different connections and APIs and actions and custom agents, or bring your laptop and your Microsoft 365 tenant and your Microsoft 365 license and your Copilot 365 license, and you can roll up your sleeves and build your own agent using your own tenant and your own licenses. And by the way, if you haven't registered yet, you can save $100 off your registration if you enter the code Connell100. That's just my last name with 100 on the end of it when you register, all one word. So will I see you in May in Las Vegas at the Microsoft 365 Community Conference? I sure hope so. And I hope to see you in my workshop.